In this video, I'm gonna explain print function in Python. The print function in Python is used to print output on the screen. There are several ways that we can use print function. First, we can print strings. Strings are literally text. If I want to print MLK, first type print parentheses, inside the parentheses, double quotes, then the strings that we need to print. So I'm type I am MLK. Now I'm going to run this code. It prints I am MLK to the console. Also, we can use print function to print numbers. So I'm type print parentheses without double quotes the number. So I'm print 768. So if I run this code, it prints 768 to the console. So we need to remember that when we work with numbers except strings, we don't use double quotes. Also, we can use print function to print variables. So print a variable, first we need to create a variable. So I'm creating a variable called food and I initialize it with a value. So I'm going to print that variable. So print parentheses variable name food. So if I run this code, it prints pizza to the console. So pizza means the value of the food variable. Also, we can use print function print different data types together. For example, I'm going to print strings and numbers together. So I'm type print parentheses double quotes for the strings. So I'm type my favorite number is. Now I'm going to separate data type with comma. Then I type 7 as my favorite number. If I run this code, it prints my favorite number is 7 to the console. Also, we can use print function to print result of calculation. So I'm going to print 8 plus 5. If I run this code, it prints 13 to the console because 8 plus 5 equals to 13. Finally, we can use print function to print list, dictionaries, or other data. For example, I am going to create the list called numbers 2, 3, 4, and 5 as data inside the list. Then I'm going to print that list. So print parentheses list name, which is numbers. So if I run this code, it prints that list to the console. So that's all about print function in Python.